On my very first day working at Haas Automation, a coworker was showing me around the demo room. He walked up to a VF2 and opened the doors wide. When those high intensity lights came on, it was like the heavens had opened up. The clouds parted and bathed the machine in sunlight. It was amazing. I've worked in some of the darkest machine shops you can imagine, and this was a game changer for me. This old flashlight was one of the most used tools in my box, but with high intensity lights, now it's obsolete. The high intensity lights provide much needed light outside the enclosure doors where the machinist does much of their work. The lights turn on when the doors are fully open and the work light switch is on. They turn off when the doors are closed. The lights can be manually operated with the switch mounted on the side of the control pendant, and setting 238 allows you to set a duration for the lights to stay on. These lights are really great for any type of visual inspection, from surface finishes to chipped inserts. And they're LEDs, so not only are they bright, but they're cool and consume very little power. Whether you're in a small, poorly lit shop or a large building with high ceilings, the high intensity light option will brighten your work environment.